Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss what is the Git pull request. Basically, the pull request are a feature that helps developer to collaborate using the GitHub. Okay. So with the help of using pull request, the developers can notify the team members that they have completed the features. Now their feature is ready to merge in the master branch. Okay, so during the working uh, in repository, so we have supposed that multiple developers, all developers are working on its own feature and they completed the features. After they completed, they can push the code in a feature branch. Okay, once their feature branch code is completed, then they can send the pull request to the main branch, master branch. Okay, to merge their code into the master branch. Now here, once their feature is branch is ready, means they have completed their work, then the developers will create a pull request by via their own account. Like if we are using GitHub, then with the help of using GitHub, we can create a pull request. Here, pull request means we are sending the request to merge their code into the master branch, and this will also notify other developers. They can review their code and they can provide the comments if there is any need improvement, and if there is any enhancement they can add the comment on their code in PR, and then they can discuss what is the best approach, how they can improve the quality of the code, and anything they can collaborate and discuss on pull request. So here pull requests are a feature that helps developer to collaborate using GitHub. Developer can send the pull request once they completed their feature branch, so that everybody know that his feature is completed, and then any developers can review the code, and if everything is fine, he can merge the code into the main branch. Okay, so now I'm going to show one basic example where I will send the create a branch, and in branch I will make some changes, and then I will push my local changes, local commits into the remote branch, and then with the help of remote branch I will send the pull request to the main branch here. Okay, so let me show some example. So this is my repository. So I have already cloned this repository under here. Now I am going to make some changes, and then I will push the code into the repository. But first let me create a branch. So I have created here P1 branch, and now I'm going to update this README file like SpecFlow framework using Selenium and C#. Okay, so I have just updated here, and now I need to push these changes into the B1 branch. First, git status, readme file is updated, git add dot git commit -m, then updated Selenium in readme file. Okay, so next command I need to push. Okay, so currently I have created branch B1 that is locally created, and we need to push corresponding branch in upstream, because this branch is not created on the remote. So we need to run this command git push set upstream branch B1. Okay, now this code has pushed into the remote repository. Let me show you. Here you can see one B1 branch created, and also the code is uploaded here. Okay, so here there is two branch. If I click this, then you can see here B1 branch. And the changes you can also see here, Selenium, this is updated. And if I go master branch, then we will not get the changes. Okay, so now I have committed our code into the branch B. Now we need to send the pull request to merge this code into the master branch. So generally when we have multiple developers working in different features, so first they will complete their features, commit the code in corresponding feature branch, and once his feature is completed, they have developed his feature, he will push that code into the send the pull request to the master. So when he create the push request, it means pull request, it means he has completed here features, and other developers can review their code and merge into the master. Okay, so here on the top you can see there are one compare and pull request. We are getting option, and if you're not getting option this, then you can go in pull request here, new pull request, click on that, or this will also show like create the pull request, compare and pull request. So now I'm going to create new pull request from here. Okay, so when we are creating the pull request, then we need to select the branches. So first is the base branch. Base means this is the base branch where we need to merge our code, and this is the compare. So compare means now I'm going to send the pull request from the B1 branch to the master. So I need to select here B1 branch. Now what changes we have made, you can compare here, you can check here. Okay, and review. Now here you can see the green create pull request button. We need to click on this create pull request. When I am sending this request, creating the pull request, we can add the reviewer here. So like one user I have added here already, road to 11. So my username is different and this is another user. So I can select here this user. So this is reviewer, and also I can assign this to any particular user. We can add the labels, project, milestone, and here we can give some description, uh, title as well as description what we have done in that feature file. Okay, okay. So like I have also, I'm going to put here the updated Selenium in README file. Okay, then we need to click on the create pull request. Okay, so one pull request is created. If I go here, then this we will get here one pull request. Okay, so if I open this, then we will get here merge pull request. If we click on this button, then it will automatically merge into the master branch. We can also merge, and also we other developers can merge this code. Okay, so if we are getting any conflict from the master to our code, then we will get also here a conflict, and we need to resolve those conflict. Then merge pull request button will be enabled. Okay, so now I'm going to check from different user. So this user, so this is road to 11. So here we will get again the pull request. Okay, so this request, this is created by this user Sadiq Ali 1, and now here this is another user, and other user can review the code. Okay, like by checking here commits, file changes, there are multiple things he can check what changes they have made, and he can also add the comment if there is any additional information required, like if we need to update the code and anything. So he can mention here the comment like please provide more details of the framework. Okay, like suppose that I'm updating here, commenting this, start the review. So this is pending, so this is comment by road to 11. And if I go here in another user, so this user has raised the PR means pull request. So there is one review request here, we need to review that. Okay, so here on this side, review changes, click on this. You can approve the changes as well as add some comment. Submit review. Okay. And then we can click and merge the this PR. So same user also can merge and other user if everything is fine. Okay, so he can approve the review and click on the merge pull request. When he click on the merge request, then after the confirmation, this PR will be merged into the master. Okay, now you can see this PR is not opened. This PR is closed. Okay, so if I go to the master again here, we will get the detail. It means the code which we have committed in the branch that is merged into the master. Okay, so this is the concept of the PR, and PR helps to review the code before going to the merge that code into the master. Okay, thanks for the watching the video.